Hi guys, welcome back to the your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the where the Dow Jones and some of the index gonna work and how you gonna trade on Monday. Okay guys, right now what happened is that you can see here guys, exactly taken here only resistance. Why it has been taken resistance, that's important. You have seen here guys, it exactly taken here resistance, came downside, once again it taking a resistance, means it's a symbol that it will take a resistance from here. Exactly that happened guys. You can see here guys what happened. This smallly open and in narrow range only the seller has been dominated, then bars has been dominated after this has been crossed. Okay guys, if you are not traded here somewhere, okay guys, don't worry here. However, this has been crossed, you have to take here the option, selling option also there, or you have to take your put option. You can see that how huge fall has been came here. You can see that this is the huge fall guys. This is the biggest momentum what I am expected not, but it has been became and we have got very nice momentum guys. Hope you have traded also guys. Okay guys, now in the NASDAQ also guys, exactly that only happened. Nothing is important what I have told you in here also, because exactly what happened, it's making a high here only, it has been taken resistance cross, and you have to see that how nicely has been fall has been came. Okay guys, in SPX also you can see here what happened is that guys, exactly you can see here guys what happened. First time whenever market will came, it will act as resistance, what I have told you. You can see here guys, exactly I will made it, exactly you can see here guys. So what happened here only, I have considered my position at this position only, and my SL I have kept here. You can see that one side momentum we have got in SPX guys, very big and huge momentum we have captured in SPX also guys. Hope you have captured this. Okay guys, now we can see the some of the stocks is like Tesla also. What happened is that here only selling has been came, so at this slightly below only it has been once again selling has been came and came downside. Okay guys, in Amazon also like that only, here also you can see that it's high, after that tested came downside, one-sided momentum. Okay guys, in Microsoft also same behaving, in Apple also same behaving has been happened, but here you can see that price action, it came downside, exactly broken. You have to take in here short position. You can see that this is the short position. You can see that one-sided momentum we have been captured. Okay guys, hope you have captured this position also guys and made us such a good money guys. Okay guys, now we gonna see the where the index gonna work for Monday. Okay guys, now we gonna see for Dow Jones. Okay guys, right now Dow Jones, we can see here guys, just a second guys. So this is the trend line guys, so I will just zoom it out so we can get it. Okay, from here only you can see that trend line after this broken, how huge fall has been came. Okay guys, right now what we have to see is that where the supporting level will be acted as. Right now you can see that it is exactly here where the supporting area will be acting. Okay guys, so this is the area where the market will be take as a supporting area. But what we have to see is that if it will once again came and tested like this, then our first target, this will be the second target guys. Okay guys, these are the second target, this is the third target. Okay guys, but one consolidation phase also becoming, because of this big huge amount of seller has been came, so buyers and sellers continuously fight and take it as a sideways market. This is the one of the aspects. If this is broken or open a gap up, something happened, then you can expect your first target will be up till here guys, second target up till here guys, and our third target up till here guys. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. We can see for next is that NASDAQ guys. In NASDAQ also you can see here guys what happened is that exactly it's taking resistance in coming downside momentum. So what we have to do is right now is that, so we gonna see where the nicest place we can get to reached it. Okay guys, right now what I am saying is that this is the one of the defending area, but right now it will act as one of the major resistance. Okay guys, so what we have to do is that if open a gap up or slightly gap up open, after that it will exactly take first time resistance. You can expect that it became a volatile or sort of thing. Otherwise what happened is that it will take resistance continuously here only, the taken a resistance and broken this, take support, then you can expect your first target, second, up till here third target. Okay guys, these are the three targets, and up till here also you can take fourth target. Okay guys, but one of the consolidation phase will be happening, also happen guys, so you can expect that it maybe goes on consolidation and closed on Monday's market. If this is the broken, then you have to see the price action. If taken resistance, your first target will be your second target, and this will be the third target guys. Okay guys, we can see for next SPX guys. In SPX also very huge momentum has been came down, so what we have to expect is that this will be the one of the resistance area. It will act as a resistance, so we will just draw it on. Okay guys, right now it is very nice to see that it is making very huge and big momentum we have captured. So if it will take resistance from here, you can expect your first target, second, and our last and third target. Okay guys, second expect is that it will goes and continuously consolidate, broken, taken support or made a price action. Our first target, second target, this will be the third, and our fourth target guys. These are the four target in SPX. Hope you are getting it all the ideas what I am giving you the learning guys. Okay guys, right now we can see for Tesla also. In Tesla we have got very nice momentum, so we will just zoom it out so we can get the clear picture. Right now what I am seeing here somewhere like this, just a second guys. Okay, right now you can see here guys, so just like this trend line is going on, and somewhere here only the consolidation phase also happening, and this trend line you are seeing like this. Okay guys, what happened is that how I am making these all, I have also made a dedicated video also guys. Hope you can like that too, and if you wanted that, go and check out also in my channel also guys. Okay guys, what happened is that very huge momentum has been coming along, so if it will consolidate 2 to 3 days, okay guys, here only it will exactly take support, then you can expect your first target and second target for tomorrow only. If it will take and like this, then it will break, then you can expect your first target, second target, and huge third target guys. Very big momentum will be coming along in Tesla. If it will take resistance somewhere here, then you can expect your first target guys for tomorrow only, means in Monday, first and second target. If that also broken, then you can expect third, and this will be the fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see for next stock is that Amazon. In Amazon also and Tesla also, you know that the Tesla stock is 900 plus, but they have splitted their stock. I have told you why they split their stocks, because of their liquidity. They have splitted their stock and getting a very nice momentums. Okay guys, right now it will act as a resistance, you can know that thing. Okay guys, I don't have to tell you something like that. So right now if it will continuously take somewhere here resistance, then you can expect your first target will be here, second target, and third and final target. If it will open gap up somewhere, then you can expect your first target, second target will be the final, second target will be up till here guys. Okay guys, up till here. Hope you getting it all guys. The thing is that in Apple also we can see here guys, what happened is that, so in Apple, and just zoom it out, so what we are getting is that here somewhere the sorry guys, so bar are dominant somewhere here. So what we have to do right now, it is getting, if it will make a price action, then you can go for your first target guys, this will be the second target guys, this will be the third target for Monday. Okay guys, consolidation phase also coming along, so you have to see that price action only, your first target, second, and your third target guys. Okay guys, we can see for Microsoft also guys how it's behaving for Monday. You can see for Microsoft also it's making very huge and nicest momentum. Right now here it will act as a resistance, you can get it. Okay guys, a big gap up happened then you can expect your first target, second target. Okay guys, for Monday only. If it will take resistance, some gap up happen, then take resistance, our first target, this will be the second target. But you have to see that it has been multiple time tested, first, second and third time. So this has been happened that it will came downside, consolidate and broken once again in upside momentum. So you have to conscious about it. Hope you like this video guys. If you have any queries, anything, please comment me down and I will make a dedicated video like this guys. You have to learning videos wanted, so I have posted so many learning videos also. If you not getting anything, please comment me down, I will make a dedicated video or and tell you the logic about behind that things all. And also I have made it the commodity analysis also, please go and check out that too guys. You make the huge money. Do not waste your money. My motive is only, the thing is, do not waste your money in anybody else who can make you within 2 to 3 days double triple. It doesn't make any sense guys. Who told you that if you are born today and you can it is possible that you can become an adult within 2 to 3 days? It never happened. Sorry guys, this logic is just a false thing. Just do not take it seriously. But you know that if you do anything, any job or any education, at least you need to 2 to 3 years guys. I do not tell you 2 to 3 years give. Just take your 1 year dedicatedly, watch my videos, please backtest your strategy and see the analysis. And best thing what I will tell you is that please do your previous years, whatever 1 year market has been behaved within 5 minutes candle, 30 minutes candle, 1 hour candle, what pattern has been made, what structure it has been made, what are the trend lines, how it's behaved. You can search all the things. You can make a huge amount of money guys, no doubt. I'm telling you, somewhere someone is telling you that I will make you a double profit, triple profit. No, that's not wrong, false thing. All that they are telling you is that false thing. Do not came in that scam guys. Also in my comment also they have posted that in crypto within 2 days, within 1 month I have got the triple amount, 4 times amount, 5 times. It doesn't make any sense guys. If you hope you like this video guys, I do not wanted to tell you anything about subscribe and like. If you like really like this video, please like, and it will motivate me to make a new videos and more information I will explain you in the detail. That's why I wanted to just like the button guys. Just do like, do not subscribe. You do not wanted to, you do not have that confidence. Please check out my analysis also. Confidence automatically come if you go and backtest my all the things what I have told you, how it's behave, what is logic behind it. Also I have told you in post market, also I have told you how it behave, what is the logic. So hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching. That's all guys.